Hey everyone, so welcome to my new YouTube channel. वीडियो के इंट्रो से समझ ही गया होगा आपको what this channel is going to be all about. So over here I'll be posting videos related to makeup, skincare, lifestyle, beauty, fashion, etc, etc. You never know what might add to that list, but that is pretty much the gist of it as of now. So whoever has been following me from my other YouTube channel, that is Gauri Gajare Music, thank you so much for being super supportive right from the start and now supporting me yet again by coming to this channel. So on this channel there are going to be a lot of product reviews, makeup tutorials, honest opinions, tips and tricks, hacks, and frankly speaking I don't call myself as a pro. So you know, we all learn by trial and error, and that is how I even achieved today's look. If you liked this look as well, if you think this is decent, tik-tak, that's when you know you can trust me on this. So let's grow together, let's learn together, and let's have some fun. So this is Gauri Gajare signing off for now, but I will be waiting for you guys in our further journey. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Is makeup, skincare, fashion is something that you guys follow on YouTube. I am sure you won't be disappointed. Till then, bye bye.